This is a woodchuck cottonflax. His cries like this. This is a koala that sleeps in addition to eating. His cries like this. This is the adorable tendon crown of Urha Nyonaka. His cries like this. This is a little donkey who failed to escape from prison. His cries like this. This is a heartless woman, a soprano in the forest. His cries like this. This is a greedy crowing fox. His cries like this. This is a cross-eyed cooing chicken. His cries like this. This is a cute little rabbit. His cries like this. This is a shy sea lion. His cries like this. This is a vengeful seal. His cries like this. This is a bald eagle that walks furtively. His cries like this. This is a singing cyclone parrot. His cries like this. This is a cheetah hunting. His cries like this. This is a big scalper gargling. His cries like this.